Hello children, I hope you are all healthy and happy today. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will learn a lot of new things and have lots of fun. नमस्ते बच्चों, I hope आप सब स्वस्थ और तंदुरुस्त हैं। स्पेशल इंग्लिश आवर में आप सबका स्वागत है। यहाँ हम बहुत सारी नई चीजें सीखेंगे और खूब मस्ती करेंगे। Now, I would like all of you to join me in a song. Please stand up and come close to your TV screen. Follow the steps as I do. अगर आपको मेरे साथ गाना है तो प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए और टीवी स्क्रीन से थोड़ा नजदीक आइए। मैं जो स्टेप्स करती हूँ वो आपको दोहराने हैं। Let's go.
Do you know how an elephant walks? Stomp, stomp. Do you know how an elephant walks? Stomp, stomp. First put your left feet and then put your right feet, and this is how they go. Stomp, stomp. Stomp, 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 stomp. Stomp, 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 stomp. Stomp to your left, stomp to your right, stomp to your front, and stomp to your back. Do you know how a duck walks? Waddle, waddle. Do you know how a duck walks? Waddle, waddle. First put your left feet and then put your right feet, and this is how they go. Waddle, waddle. Do you know how a hen walks? Flap, flap. Do you know how a hen walks? Flap, flap. First put your left hand and then put your right hand, and this is how they go. Flap, flap.
I hope you enjoyed singing and dancing with me today. Now, let us learn a few new words. Our first word is hunter. 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 The hunter chased the deer. The hunter shot the rabbit. Our second word is nibble. 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 Rats nibble on bread. Rabbits nibble on carrots. Our third word is squeak. 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 The squirrel gave out a squeak. The scared little girl gave out a squeak on the stage. Our fourth word is beware. 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 Beware of snakes in the garden. Beware of dogs in the house. Our fifth word is tear. 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 The teacher asked us to tear a sheet of paper. There was a tear in my new dress. I hope you were able to learn the new words. Let's revise them. Hunter, nibble, squeak, beware, tear. Very good, students. Now, I would like to ask you a few questions. You have to think and answer. Children, do you all have I have lots of friends and I'm sure you do too. मेरे पास बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं and I am sure आपके पास भी होंगे. What do you do with your friends? आप आपके दोस्तों के साथ क्या करते हैं? I play with my friends, I eat with my friends, and I also do homework with my friends. मैं मेरे दोस्तों के साथ खेलती हूँ, खाती हूँ और पढ़ाई भी करती हूँ. Do you care about your friends? क्या आप अपने दोस्तों का ख्याल रखते हैं? I care about my friends. I generally go to their houses when they are unwell or sad. मैं उनके घर पे जाके उनका ख्याल रखती हूँ जब वो बीमार है या दुखी है. Have you ever helped a friend in their times of difficulty? क्या आपने कभी किसी दोस्त को मदद किया है जब वो कठिन समय में होते हैं? I remember once when me and my friend were playing cricket, he shot the ball in another house. Our neighbor was very furious. She came yelling at my friend. Then I supported my friend and we both apologized together. एक बार मैं और मेरे दोस्त क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे. तब उन्होंने जोर से शॉट मारा और बॉल दूसरे घर में जा गिरा. हमारी पड़ोसन बहुत गुस्से पे हम में चिल्ला रही थी. तब मैंने मेरे फ्रेंड को सपोर्ट किया और हम दोनों ने मिलकर माफी मांगी. We all have some friends who we share a special bond with. Now, let's read a poem where someone else also share a very special bond. Please open your My English textbook to page number 32. Point your finger on the words that I read. If you don't have a textbook, please listen to me carefully. अब आपकी इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक खोलिए पेज नंबर 32 पे. आपकी उंगली उन शब्दों पे रखिए जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो ध्यान से सुनिए. Birds. We are birds. We fly together. We are birds. We sing together. Free as the air, we fly here and there. Children, what are group of birds called together? Yes, they are called flock of birds. In this stanza, we saw that all the birds are flying and singing together. They all fly as high as they wish. हमने देखा कि ये सारे जो पक्षी है वो साथ में उड़ते हैं और गाते भी हैं. Mice. We are mice. We run together. We are mice. We squeak together. Small but smart. Here and there we dart. In this stanza, we saw that all the mice, they run and they squeak together. They are small but very smart. हमने देखा कि ये जो सारे चूहे हैं वो साथ में भागते हैं और साथ में चीखते हैं. वो छोटे होते हैं पर बहुत शार्प यानी स्मार्ट होते हैं. Hunter. I am a hunter, beware of me. Birds and animals beware of me. I'll scatter this grain and then spread this net, and then I'll go away. When the birds come, they'll land on the net, and then they can't fly away. Then I'll put them in a basket and sell them in the market. Ha, ha, ha. Now there is a hunter. He asks everyone to be aware of him. He said he will spread a net and some grains over there. Then all the birds will come on the net. Then he will put them in a basket and sell it in the market. हंटर जो है वो सारे पक्षी और जानवर को कहता है मेरे से बच के रहना। वो एक नेट फैला देता है और उसके ऊपर जब पक्षी आ जाते हैं तब वो उनको बास्केट में रख के मार्केट में बेचने जाते हैं। Birds. Oh, see what we found. Grain on the ground. Oh, no, no, no. This net we didn't see. Who will help us now? Who will set us free? Bird 1. Don't worry. Don't cry. There is something we can try. If we all fly together, we can fly away. We'll take the net with us, which the mice will nibble away. Birds. Flutter, 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 all together. Up in the sky, away we fly. Did we all see how the hunter placed the net and the grains? All the birds get attracted to the grain and then they get caught in the net. Now they are all worried, how will they get out of it? Then one bird gets an idea. If they all fly together, they can fly away with the net. They will ask the mice to nibble the net. सारे birds वो grains को देख के वहां पे चले जाते हैं। फिर उनको पता चलता है कि ये तो एक चाल है और वो नेट के अंदर घुस जाते हैं। अब वो सब परेशान हो जाते हैं कि वो बाहर कैसे निकलेंगे। तब एक बर्ड को आइडिया आता है कि अगर वो सब साथ में उड़ते हैं तो वो नेट के साथ उड़ सकते हैं और फिर वो चूहे को कहेंगे कि वो नेट को खा जाए और वो फिर उड़ सकते हैं। Scene 3. Birds. Mice, mice, do be nice. You're your friends today. We are caught in the net. Please set us free. Nibble its strings away. Mice. Sure, dear friends. We'll nibble and bite. We'll tear away the net with all our might. Nibble, 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 all together. Tear away the net, but don't touch a feather. The net is torn, the birds are free. They are happy, and so are we. birds. Thank you, dear mice. We'll never forget you. Mice. Welcome, dear birds. It was a small thing to do. Birds fly away and mice run away. All the birds fly together to the mice. They tell mice, can you please help us and set us out of this net? The mice say, sure, they would like to help. They all come together and they start nibbling the net. They tear away the net with all their might. But they don't touch a feather of the bird. Very soon, all the birds are free and they fly away. They thank the mice and the mice also run away. सारे पक्षी साथ में उड़ के वो चूहों के पास जाते हैं। वो चूहों से मदद मांगते हैं। चूहे झट से उनकी मदद करने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं और वो झाली को काटना शुरू कर देते हैं। झाली खुल जाती है और सारे पक्षी आजाद हो जाते हैं। वो चूहों का शुक्रिया करते हैं और चूहे बहुत खुश होकर अपनी तरह भाग जाते हैं। Scene 4. Hunter. Where's my net? I need it so. Did the birds take it? Where did they go? Oh no! What's this? What do I see? Someone tore the net and set the birds free. Alas! Hunter sits down and cries. We saw how the hunter comes to see that the net is not there. Then he sees that the net is torn. He becomes very sad. When he also sees that all the birds have flew away. जब हंटर दोबारा उनकी नेट ढूंढने आता है, तब उनको समझ आता है कि नेट तो पूरी टूट गई है और सारे पक्षी भी उड़ गए हैं। वो बहुत दुखी हो जाते हैं। Children, in this poem we saw how the birds and mice are very good friends and the mice help birds to free themselves. They share a very special bond, just like you share with your friends. यहाँ पे हमने देखा किस तरीके से पक्षी और चूहे बहुत अच्छे मित्र हैं। वो एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखते हैं। चूहों ने पक्षियों को आजाद होने में मदद भी किया और हंटर जो है वो उदास हो जाता है क्योंकि उसकी जो तरकीब थी वो नाकाम रही। Wasn't it an interesting poem? I hope it was a good discussion and you all enjoyed it. Now it's time for you to sit back and relax while I tell you a wonderful story. Children, what does it mean to be honest? Honest का मतलब क्या होता है? Yes, being honest means to always say the truth. हमेशा सच बोलने वाले को honest कहा जाता है। Do you think we should be honest to our friends? क्या आपको लगता है हमें हमारे दोस्तों से हमेशा सच कहना चाहिए? I think so. Because when we are honest with someone, they can trust us. जब हम किसी को सच्चाई कहते हैं, तो वो हम पे विश्वास कर सकते हैं। Let's listen to a story, Honest Girl, written by Anne Logialan, who tries to tell us something about honesty. Once there lived a beautiful girl. One day she was very hungry. She thought of ways of getting something to eat. एक बहुत अच्छी लड़की छोटे से गांव में रहती थी. एक दिन उसको बहुत भूख लगी और वो सोच रही थी कि वो खाना कैसे खाए. She met a man who asked her, "How are you, young girl, today? Why are you so sad?" She said, "I am hungry." एक दिन उसको एक दूसरा आदमी मिला जो उसे पूछता है कि आज तुम कैसी हो, इतनी उदास क्यों हो? वो कहती है कि वो बहुत भूखी है. The man felt sorry for her. He said there is a feast near there. She should go and steal some food. The girl लेकिन रास्ते में भूल जाती है कि चोरी कैसे करते हैं. वो गाना शुरू कर देती है कि मैं चोरी करने आई हूँ और मैं धीरे धीरे चल रही हूँ. People heard her song from the far before she reached the homestead. गांव के सारे लोगों ने उसका गाना सुना. वो घर पहुंची उसके पहले ही. People were amazed at her song. They started asking her, "Where do you come from? What do you want? Why are you singing?" सब लोग आश्चर्यचकित हो गए उसको देखकर, उसका गाना सुनकर, और उसको पूछने लगे कि वो कहाँ से आई है, क्यों गा रही है, क्या चाहिए उसको. The girl told them how hungry she was and she came there to steal food. Everyone gave her the food and then told her that stealing is bad. वो लड़की ने सच्चाई से कह दिया कि मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है और मैं यहाँ खाना चोरी करने आई हूँ. सब लोग ने उसको सामने से खाना दे दिया और कहा कि चोरी बुरी बात होती है. Wasn't it an interesting story? We saw how the girl was very honest with everyone. She was honest with that man when she said she is very hungry. And then she was also honest with the villagers when she said that she was trying to steal food. But because she was honest, the villagers gave her food. हमने देखा कि किस तरीके से वो लड़की सबसे सच कहती है. उसकी सच्चाई की वजह से उसको चोरी नहीं करनी पड़ती और गांव वाले सामने से उसको खाना दे देते हैं. Doesn't this mean that all of us should be honest? I hope you all liked this story. I hope that you will also tell your friends and family to always be honest. I will see you soon in the next session. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.